The nozzle package on a centre pivot irrigation system, it's been said that it represents about 7 to 8% of the initial capital investment, but 80% of the machine's performance. So the nozzle package has a critical role, and it's important that that performs correctly. Now, every machine will have a nozzle chart, and it's provided from the manufacturer with the machine, whether that's Nelson or Synerger or whoever makes the nozzle chart for your centre pivot irrigation system. It provides some key fundamental performance metrics of how the nozzle chart should perform. So the first thing you want to look at as you assess your nozzle package and its performance is, does the machine have the right flow rate, and does the machine have the right pressure? And both of these are found in the nozzle chart. It will say the required flow rate into the machine and the required pressure. Then the other detail that the nozzle chart also provides is the outlet number, the nozzle size, the nozzle colour, and its position on the machine. So the machine will have an order of how the nozzles are ordered on that machine. So as you come up to a nozzle and it's broken, you can see what nozzle type, what colour, and you need to make sure that if that's broken, you don't just replace that with any nozzle or any sprinkler. You can refer back to your nozzle chart as a guide and replace it with the correct nozzle, correct colour, and the right sprinkler head. Wheel ruts and bogging is a significant issue out there and causes a lot of damage and downtime for machines. Machines breaking drive joints and getting bogged and stuck and downtime, machines having to be pulled out. So what causes wheel ruts and bogging is that the centre pivot tower structure itself acts as a bit of a funnel. Having the correct tyre size and inflation is helpful. The main issue to deal with wheel ruts and bogging is getting the water away from the structure and preventing it dropping into the wheel rut. So there are dry wheel packages available as an accessory for centre pivot irrigators. And what that does is you change the dropper around the tower structures. This is a flexible one, but you change that to a solid dropper with a 180-degree throw. So that will then throw water away from the tower structure, preventing it gathering on this lattice structure and dropping in your wheel ruts. The other way you can deal with it is by adding boom backs. Now, boom backs they get the water away from the tower structure by taking the nozzle 3 or 4 metres back and throwing the water behind the machine. So it's all about getting the water away from the tower structure to prevent the significant issues that are caused by wheel ruts and bogging and trafficability.